Everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this quick mill Andreja Premium. Pretty much what we did was an overhaul, opening the whole group head assembly and replacing everything, servicing the whole front of the E61 group head, and we did tune-ups to it. And so we're going to do a couple of tests. We're going to test every single part of this machine, which is testing a shot, testing a steam, testing hot water, and we're using our test coffee for this. Then we're going to pour a shot. A little wide. I should use a better cup, but it is working well. Then we're going to test the hot water. As you can see, working well also. Then we're going to test the steam after the pump turns off. As you can see, working really well. That pretty much does it for this machine. Thank you for the repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.